Hey, it's Wow That Bling. This is part 3 of my reveal from my local source. It'll be a little bit shorter. Please make sure you're following me on TikTok and Instagram because I will post what will be in my upcoming shows there and also coupon codes for my platforms I sell on, which is Palm Street and whatnot. So make sure you are following me on those platforms also. So let's get to looking at what we have. Let's start right here. Beautiful blue AB. Marvella, I believe. That is beautiful. Wow, this is stunning too. Look at that. Japan back, but there is no signature on her. She's very pretty. Look at those. Beautiful shades of blue ABs. That's a great clasp on her. She is unsigned, but she's a beauty. That's a great clasp on her. Unsigned, but stunning, clear ABs. Look at this. That's nice facets on that. Faux pearl. And there is some glass on here. I can tell by the weight. Oh, that one is signed Western Germany. Very pretty. This has some discolorization up here on the back and a little bit on the front. But look at this stunning 4-strand. She is gorgeous. All glass. Let's see what she is possibly marked. Western Germany also. That's beautiful. Beautiful blue and green. Marked West Germany also. 3-strand. She's a stunner. Nice old Murano. It's that teal color with that flush in there. She's beautiful. We have a blue with the barrel clasp. Also Murano. I love this blue. Of course, blue is one of my favorite colors, so I shouldn't be surprised, correct? I hope y'all are enjoying seeing these items. Look at that. Stunning 4-strand. It's a mixture of glass and acrylic. The other side has the same kind of stone. And that one is signed West Germany also. Isn't that beautiful? Here's another, and let's just go ahead and check. Yes, West Germany. Look at these beads. Aren't those terrific? So this is a great 3-strand. It's also Western Germany. And it feels like she is mostly glass. You have citrine, champagne, the orange, and I bet this orange glows. I do not have a black light with me, but I bet it glows. This is a nice necklace. Let's see if she's marked anywhere. I don't see any markings on her. But I'd be willing to bet she's probably a Regency due to her coloring. She very well could be something else, but I think she's probably a Regency. She's very pretty. I'm sure that orange glows. I'll have to check it. And then we have last in this tray is this beautiful gold tone with red and pink teardrop rhinestones. Oh, it's signed. It's a Coro Pegasus. It's in pretty nice condition for its age, too. A little bit of wear, but not very much. And this one has matching earrings. Aren't they stunning? So there we have the last tray from my local source that I got this week. I hope you enjoyed all the trays. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram under Wow That Bling. That way you'll know what's coming up in my future sales. Thank you so much. I appreciate you being here, and have a great day.